All right, welcome back to Road Garage, and this is my 720S. So we've been working a ton. It's been a hot minute since we put a new video out on this, but it has not been because we have not been working our butt off on it. It's been cold out. It's been, I think it was like 12 degrees today. Been doing a ton of paint work. So you can see this beautiful Dodge Viper blue that we've been painting it. I've been doing all paint myself, cut and buff, whole 9 yards. So we got fenders about done. I'm just doing cut and buff on that fender, but we're gonna slide this new bumper with chin spoiler on to kind of see how it fits to the rest of the car, as well as just seeing what it looks like all together. Special delivery right from China. It's like Christmas for a car guy. After Christmas.
Shiny.
So shiny. Chin spoiler. So we got the chin spoiler off, and I actually spent quite a bit of time. All of these tabs right here, you can see all these spots that got cut. That's all me. It all came solid, and I had to cut all of this so that it would slide on and hook. It's got a whole bunch of tabs on the bumper. So I wasn't gonna put you through trying to watch any of that. So we got this already kind of preset so that we can slide this on, and then we're gonna actually slide it on the car for the first time. One of the other things I had to do, this has the front camera, and it did not come with this hole. I had to trace out the hole on my factory front chin spoiler so that now this fits in there all nice. But once I get it painted, I'll shoot this, and then I'll shoot this the black too so it matches. And if you see from behind here, you can see all of these tabs that have to go in these slots. Super fun. If I can get this by myself. Damn, that was actually the smoothest it's going on yet. Heck yeah.
That looks so good.
While we're right here, I want to note we have an actual like factory pan here, no longer like that felt thing. Our lovely guys did a bunch of self-tapper screws, and I don't know what this is from, but it's not McLaren. So we're under the front of the McLaren. We have the correct front piece from McLaren, brand new from the UK. Now, I got the correct screws. I actually ordered a whole bunch of hardware. The retail price on these, the single torque screw, $10. Insane. The little box, when I was ordering a bunch of the hardware and a couple little brackets, it was gonna be like $1,000 or something. Well, one more piece, all back together. We got this whole pan here. This will all have tighter gaps once I'm done, but heck yeah, that looks friggin' awesome. So cool. What a ton of work this thing's been. Getting all of that paint. Let me show you some of the whole process from this thing being black and a mess and fitting all of these fenders that I had to cut up and make fit. And it's really, really coming together. transition line between the carbon and the blue is like really clean.
Yeah, it really pops.
Like the carbon, you do this with the light and the carbon goes. So my colors on this is the Dodge Viper Blue, BMW Jet Black, and the color that actually matched the black charcoal that McLaren used on all of these other accents was actually a Hyundai charcoal black color that they had. Super cool. Loving it. All of this is off. This needs to be like here, so this really needs to get sliced probably right in here. When we come over here, and then we can kind of just reshape this whole thing, pull this whole thing back. Yay! What I want to be doing around my like nicely perfectly buffed piece here.
I know.
Dang it. But it is what it is. All right, so we're gonna end this here. So we got our new front chin spoiler. It's got a little bit of fitting left. I'll get that fitting done, then I'm gonna just hit it with my solid black so it looks all nice and pretty. And then we're gonna finish fitting all the final fit for the front end. It's all basically painted. It's there, just some final odds and ends. On the next video, we're gonna be going over the doors. The doors have a ton of pieces. We've got mirrors, we've got all kind of stuff that we're going through on that. I think it's turned out pretty awesome. We've been working on it, and we've got more that we're continuing to do.